Hello, how is everybody doing today? I am back to share. I have a few items that have been sitting in my desk collecting dust, and I have not shared yet. This one is from Simon Says Stamp, and I had these on my radar for a long time, and they're made by Simon Says Stamp, so they're one of their stamps, and they were not available anywhere else, so I finally had to bite the bullet and get them from Simon Says, and they are for my planner to make little hexagon stampings in there to use for my mood trackers or daily trackers or any kind of from the variety of trackers that I use in my planner. Those will come in handy, and those will be lots of fun to use. And then, since I didn't want that to be the only item I got from Simon Says Stamp, I ordered this thanks stamp, and it's called Big Thanks Words. So there was that one, and that one from Simon Says, and that's all that came in this little package, and it's been sitting on my desk, and I almost even forgot I had it. And then this is my April 2018 Unity stamp kit. I am so happy for these. Look how cute they are. The least favorite thing on this stamp set is that little bee. I do not like bees at this right at this moment with all the bugs that are coming around now for spring. But I think they're all super cute, and I always say that they are huge stamps that take up a big portion of the front of your card. They're fun to stamp. So what I do with these is I stamp them and I color them in, and then I write my letter or part of my letter inside the card blank, and it just gives the letter a real nice pretty touch to have something that I've colored in added to it. So that is that. And then in this envelope, this is something that I got off eBay, and I saw somebody, I can't remember her name, oh my goodness, Card and Coffee Time, I think is her name. Her name is Tina, and she's from Card and Coffee Time, and she had this card that she created with an oldie, and I thought it was just beautiful. So I went on the look for it, looking to see if I could find it, and I did. This is the stamp set that she made her card with, and I love that saying right there. I don't know if you can read it clearly enough with my camera, but it is adorable saying. So I haven't had a chance to play with these because they've been sitting just waiting for me to have time to use them. So here soon, I hope to make some time. And then when I was on the person's page that I bought the stamp from, they had this die set, which for some reason, I'm on a doily kick lately here, and I thought that I would pick up this doily die. I haven't tried it yet, so I will soon, and I will come back and share what the results of this doily die is. But those came from eBay. This is my Unity, and this is my little order in here from Simon Says Stamp. And that is all that I have for today, and I will be back at a later time as soon as I get a moment to spare to share more videos and crafty goodies with you. Bye now.